boys and girls, here we are again, Zuri
and Grandma.
and we are ready for some art fun. All we need for this simple project today is a piece of plain paper and some crayons, or perhaps if you have markers, that would be nice. We'll begin by tracing Zuri's hands. We're going to put one up high right here. Zuri, would you like to try and trace your own hand? That's good exercise for you. Carefully keep close to the fingers. Don't move the fingers. That's it. You're doing very well. Oh, don't move your fingers out the way. Then you're going to get a whack looking trace. There you go. That's it. Very good. And one down low. Now I'm going to trace this one for you because so you'll have to get some help to trace the other hand. There we go. Alright, lift. And then I'm going to just close this one off and ask you to close that one off. Pretty good job. Now, what I'm going to do, may I borrow this? Thank you. We're going to draw some fingernails on this one. Pretty good. All of them need fingernails. That's awesome, Zuri. Not there. This one you're going to just put at the side. Like, oops, like this actually. Like that. Okay, it's done. But this one, I'm going to just make it look like the palm of the hand. So maybe a hashtag is good enough. And we are going to color the fingernails, and you can get crazy on that. You can use any colors you wish. Okay, so now that that's complete, we're going to paste the first sheet of paper onto the second sheet of paper. You know, if you had a large enough sheet of paper, you could just use one large sheet of paper. Let's get it, make sure we get it straight and press it down. Pretty good. Now, we've pasted it so that the hand that's the palm up, the higher one, is at the top, and we have all this blank space at the bottom. Now we're going to put at the bottom a nice drum shape. Let's see, what color would you like to do it in? Orange? Now let me show you how we are going to make the orange. No, it's not going to be a circle at all, not a square either. It's a curved line and back around and close it up.
It's an oval.
Sort of. It's an ellipse. That's what you would call it, an ellipse. An elliptical shape. And we're coming in like that. Oh, careful. Going across and then back out again. Okay, now what we're going to do is use different colors and decorate the drum. These drums often have really nice decorations. Could you start at the top?
Okay.
And go down to here, right here, and go down to my finger, right down, straight line. Oh, she's doing circles all the way down. All right. Good. Now, can you take the black? Start at my finger and go all the way down, straight line to here, and back up to here, and back down again, and back up again. Good.
This is a
Now,
zigzag.
it is a zigzag. It almost looks like a W. Well, it depends on which way you look at it. A W or an M. Then you can put different patterns and different colors in each triangle. So go ahead and have fun now and decorate that any way you wish. What color is this?
Black.
Oh, choose a nice bright color. Okay, and then we will highlight with the black when you're finished. What shape this time? Wow, Zuri, you've done a fantastic job adding those patterns. And you know what I like about it? I like that in some places you use just lines, and in other places you colored in solidly. This really adds interest and it looks wonderful. Good job. High five. Awesome. Now I just want you to finish off for me. Take two bold colors, black is good, and make a wavy line. Start it about here and carry it all the way across. Doesn't matter if you bump into the fingers. Stop and start again on this side of the fingers. Beautiful. Now you see how that goes up and down evenly? It has rhythm. Now I want you to do a zigzag one. Now you know what to do. Start again on the other side. Very nice rhythm. I can almost hear those drums beating. Wow. Awesome. And at the end, can we just come down and finish it off? Beautiful. That's awesome. And I think that all this needs now, maybe we could color in this space and put some colors in between here. We don't want to mix it up with any more patterns. So just a plain coloring. I think a light color like the orange or the yellow. And I'm going to
maybe some yellow.
Add some lines to show some movement. There we go. Nice. I like how you're using that. Nice and firm. And it's almost done. Very good. And even though I said one plain color, Zuri decided she just had to go for different colors, but she kept it light so it doesn't compete with the hands. Very good job. Awesome. I'm just going to put two more little lines there and maybe here just to show movement. And I don't know, maybe we could add a word. What word would you think would go with this?
I know.
What?
Maybe bam.
Great. That's a good idea. I'm going to go for it. Bam. B-A-M. Bam. And how about bam and boom? Boom. That's a good one. Boom. Bam and boom. And that's it. Boom.
B-O-O-M.
There it is. All done.
You make a great team, Grandma.
We certainly do, Zuri. And I hope you guys have fun creating your own drum beat.